for those who may have
and most of
been involved in his killing, some hoping that they would inherit the seat, it is actually good that Boyd won. I want to thank all our supporters for honoring the spirit and memory of Baba. I want to thank the ODM leadership and the broad-based partners for an excellent job. Mr. Speaker, some of the lessons we learned: do not rely on social media. Being loud does not necessarily translate to votes. Young people must decide what they want. It is unfortunate that some young people are opposing Boyd. Mr. Speaker, there is a growing concern over the issue of Goonism, and as a consequence, Mr. Speaker, even today, one of my constituents called Okundi, out of Goonism, has just been attacked, and we don't know if he's actually going to leave, by people who just create a story around you and then attack you. Mr. Speaker, finally, on the issue of ethnicization of politics, which is a growing concern, that you cannot balkanize parts of the country and declare them for given tribes. It is unfortunate, and I want to encourage us as leaders to be careful with what we say, even as we move towards 2027. Thank you.
CNN, is it CNN? Are you called CNN or double N? Double N, sorry. Jockey. Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for this opportunity to also congratulate our colleagues who have joined us from today.